Dobro jutro, Divine Pisces, 222. It is Wednesday, August 12th, 2020. I'm going to do daily message from Spirit for you guys today. I just kind of had a big epiphany on my way back from dropping my daughter off at her sitter's. Clear. Just kind of reflecting on my own situation and how some things just kind of aligned the way that they did, and how strange it was, and like the confusion energy that followed. And I feel like a lot of us have been in a lot of confusion energy. This has been kind of going on for a while. Like some of us questioning our connections, whether our people are our people. What is my role? What am I doing? Some of us, it's like we're getting memories of things maybe that we don't even really truly actually remember. It's like, why am I remembering this? Have you ever explained a memory to somebody that was there with you and they're like, I don't remember that at all. And yet you remember it incredibly vividly, and you're like, how can you not remember that? That was incredibly significant. How do you not remember that? And it was brought home to me, the whole idea. And I know I've talked about collapsing timelines before. I've talked about shifting timelines, skipping timelines, like shifting from one timeline to the other. And I feel like a lot of us have actually been doing that. A lot of us have done that. A lot of us have shifted timelines. A lot of us have moved to a different timeline. Okay? And that, it just made my brain kind of explode. And so I feel like maybe some of you who are experiencing this confusion energy, this, I don't really know who I am anymore, this, maybe even like an appearance of it, if you're a twin flame, a plan B, as I've been calling it, clear. And I might talk about this a little bit more on my collective tonight, or on my union update. But the idea, that and I know I've explained this quite a bit, of how similar the energy is between my DM and my soulmate. It's like they embody the same energy, and they have for the entire time. And how he just kind of appeared right after I released my connection with my DM. It's very interesting. So it got me thinking. I'm sitting here going, okay, so what does that mean? And it threw me into confusion for a while. I was like, okay, so I'm questioning my connection now. This person, I thought my DM was not my DM. Well, no, I got confirmation that, fortunately or unfortunately, however you want to look at it, my DM is still my DM. So I'm like, all right, well, so what does that mean? Right? I think possibly I shifted timelines. So what does that mean? I don't know. I'm going to explore it a little bit more and probably talk about it a little bit more tonight on my union update. And see what else comes through. But that's just kind of the tip of the iceberg, and I just feel like I'm about to go down a huge rabbit hole. So you want to come with me? Okay. Anyway, so let's go here. But that, I feel, is the embodiment of what's happening right now, is a lot of us in confusion energy because we're skipping timelines. So overall energies today, very interesting. We've got sexual art. So I do feel like, I would say motivation mainly is the overall energy of the day. I feel like a return to motivation. I feel like, just like this anxiety to get going, to create, to do something maybe new that you've never experienced before. You may be feeling actual sexual energy coming in today. Use it to manifest, for goodness sakes. It's the best energy you can possibly use to manifest. And I know I stated yesterday, a lot of divine feminines especially are manifesting again. Like we're kind of returning to that. Okay, well, I've been in this rut for a while. I haven't been manifesting like I should be. I wasn't manifesting like I had been. Let's return to that. Okay, so that's good. So that's good. That means a good vibration, a higher vibration coming in. Yeah, first ray of power, right? So a lot of us again are kind of returning to the idea that we can manifest our own reality here, and that we do have help from above, and that we are basically, source has our back, right? But we have it all in our own hands, and we know that we can do that when we get that power from source. Okay? So maybe a return to gratitude. But yeah, wisdom, definitely. See, we get, what do we get? What do we get when we combine all of those things? Spiritual wisdom. That's exactly what we get. And a lot of us are remembering that, okay, you know, I have my own, I have it. I have everything that I need. This is all, you know, within me, right? I control this. Okay? I control this. I can move forward, and that's good. So maybe somebody, you know, maybe something happened to trigger you, kind of light a fire up under your butt to get you moving, right? And a lot of you are coming back to bringing love into the situation. You're kind of getting out of that fear energy. We've been in that fear, that confusion, that frustration energy for a little while. A lot of you are coming back out of that, and you're having the wisdom to do that because you remember that your power does come from Source. Okay? You are connected to Source. Okay? And that you control your own reality, and that you can manifest anything you want. Okay? So, again, I feel like a lot of us just kind of have fire lit up under our butt, and we're like, oh yeah, I got this. Like, the creative juices are flowing. I got this great ideas. Let's get these going, right? That's good. It's good. Far cry away from, you know, where we were. All right, guys, I hope this has helped. If it has, please like, share, subscribe, and I'll see you guys later. Bye-bye.